Hello, I'm Peter Brown. Welcome to my channel, Recipe for a Longer Life, designed to help you change your lifestyle and live a healthier life as I do. Now today I'm going to show you a little salad I make, which I like very much, which I call Rosy Salad. Why do I call it Rosy Salad? Well, it uses a beetroot and dyes the salad rosy. That doesn't look very attractive. That is a roasted beetroot. Do use roasted beetroots rather than beetroots that have been boiled. They have a much richer flavour. If your greengrocer doesn't have roasted beetroots, I suggest you do them yourself. But buy raw beetroot, put it in a roasting dish in the oven for 20 minutes to half an hour, depending on the size of the beetroot, until the skewer goes in easily. Leave it to cool and peel it and use it. Endive, I'm using one small white one and one small red one. If you can't find the red one, use white. And celery from the heart or the white celery. An apple, a good crisp apple. That's Braeborn, but you could use Granny Smith or similar. A bunch of chives. Okay, you could use shallot or onion, but I think the flavour would be too strong. Then we need the juice of 1 or 2 lemons, a spoonful of Dijon mustard, and good olive oil to make a sharp dressing, and a bit of salt. And 2 last things, a small handful of sultanas, and walnuts. About a fistful, which you're going to chop. Right, I'm now ready to prepare it. So, beetroot. First we cut off the bottom. Next we peel off all the sides using a sharp knife. Now we slice and dice it up. And that can all go in the bowl. Now we chop up the endive. Again, we just trim off the bottom first and slice and dice the remainder. And into the bowl it goes. Now the celery. Simply chop it up and put that in the bowl. Now the apple. No need to peel, just remove the core and slice the rest up. And into the bowl it goes. Now the walnuts, just chop them roughly, you don't need to chop them finely. In go the walnuts, in go the sultanas. Now we just have to chop up some chives. Just chop them up and into the bowl it goes. Now I'm just going to mix it all up together. You'll see why it gets called rosy. Now we'll let that stand for a minute while we prepare our dressing. I'm going to juice 2 lemons. There. Right? I'm going to make the dressing. We want a nice tart dressing. I'm going to put in a little salt, pinch of salt, and a spoonful of Dijon mustard. The Dijon mustard is to help the lemon juice and olive oil amalgamate. I pour in my lemon juice. We shall need about a jugful of olive oil. No, I beat that. Right. Yes, I think that's fine. It's very lemony. I wanted it to be because it needs to be tart. Now, we pour it over our salad and just mix it up. There. The salad is nicely glistening with the dressing. I haven't used it all because I don't want to swamp it. Allow the salad to stand an hour or two before eating for the flavors to blend. Peter Brown's Rosy Salad. It serves 6 to 8. I hope you enjoy this salad. It's crisp, flavoursome, and it keeps in the fridge for a day or two quite well. And it's easy to make. Thank you very much. Now, don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and there's one other, I always forget one of them. Share. Okay, bye-bye. See you next time.